Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Hadian baka kenhun menteri hakiniki khliasni kala shemya karai banpen kan ria ikibri basong hatem motor kasorkar Punjab hakiniki khliasni kala penpau bakannya kendu ia menteri korbari u Amit Shah bantu kelar ha kabaya dei baka senjam jong kasorkar Meghalaya. Habaya keren bat menteri rang ba kajala ukon red ke sangma ha kabaya dei baka ne kajik mu jong kasorkar Punjab. Nakalang ukon rat ulaong baka sorkar Meghalaya kala shemya kanika senjam dakabakmi menya ben paben bat ban yat kat kumkaan. Habaya dei baka jengenta joki HPC nakalang menteri rang ba ulai tho baka HLC kalapan yikikot kisla Henry Omdon manu bawan chakmat ban pensngau harengkat bat kikot kisla kibabiang ban penshisha.
High-powered committee, I stand corrected. The high-powered committee had given the opportunity time and again for different stakeholders or individuals or groups to come and submit any kind of documentation that they could have to claim or counterclaim the ownership or gift or whatever of the land that they had. Sadly, nobody has come forward with any kind of information to the high-powered committee. So therefore, as per the reports of the high-powered committee, nobody came forward with any documentation, in spite of being given multiple opportunities. To understand few facts out here. Number one is that whatever the government of Meghalaya is going to do, it is after 3 years of detailed homework that we have decided on the steps that we are going to take. Whatever steps that we are going to take from now on, and all the moves that we are going to make are going to be legally sound. So therefore, whatever decisions, whatever question of any aspect of any action to be taken by the government will be based on proper documentation and proper legal fronts. It is important for individuals, the leaders from government of Punjab who have mentioned that they will be also taking up the matter. They need to also understand that the ownership of the land is with the government in terms of the lease that has been signed with the CM of Million. Now, once that happens, when the legal documentation is there, the legally people who are government employees are being asked to go to the government, residential places which are being provided to them. So it's not that people are going to be simply left on the streets. So the people who are government employees who've been working with municipal or other departments who are staying in that area will be asked to shift to the official residential complexes of those departments. So it is being made to look as if everybody is going to be just simply thrown out. Well, that's not correct. So one has to understand first that the legal documents of the papers are with the government. So therefore, whoever is staying there has to be in the terms of what the government decides. Number two is the fact that all the legal and employees of the departments, they will be asked to shift to the official residences. And number three, the Urban Affairs Department has been asked to find an amicable way in which we'll be able to find all the others who are not legally settled out there to be shifted or to be put somewhere else, or whatever proper way of ensuring that a solution can be reached to. So therefore, it's not proper to mix all the aspects into one and make it look as if there's one issue. There are multiple issues, and we will handle each one of them in a very, very legal manner. That's my first point. Second point is that we have made it very clear, whoever moves any status quo or gives any order in thing, we respect the stand that different commissions may have. We will challenge that in the court, as I said. So once we go to High Court or Higher Court, Division Bench or Supreme Court, we will take up the matter and we will challenge it. As I said, we are very clear on the stand of the government, and as I said, it's an issue that has been pending too long, and we need to find a solution to this issue also. May not be the most simplest solution, but we will work towards finding an amicable solution to this issue.